So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer.
But I wanted to show you guys, before I go off camera and finish my makeup, I wanted to show you guys you do not have to have a full face of makeup to wear a wig. You do not. You can use lace tint spray, you can use makeup to blend it in with your skin tone.
Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter.
Not only is this bang serving, baby, but do y'all see the skin? Yes. Hey, y'all. What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Now, y'all know I love me a good shortcut, y'all. And this cut is like giving what it was supposed to give. Today's video is sponsored by the one and only Shanise Nicole. Yes, that is I. If you're not following me on my social media platforms, the direct link to my Instagram and Facebook page will be listed down below. Make sure you guys like and follow my pages, y'all. Because get ready. Yes, we have no wig sales coming up. So let's get down to the nitty gritty of today's wiggy, 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 wiggy. Yay. So the wig that I am wearing today is by Sensationnel. It is their Cloud 9 Swiss Lace 100% premium fiber hair. It comes with HD lace. You know it's not. They got the nerve to say keep them guessing. Girl. It's not no HD lace. But we can pretend that it is. This wig is heat resistant safe up to 400 degrees. It comes with a natural density hairline. I am not new to the wet lace collection at all. I'll go ahead and leave my other wet lace wig reviews down below, so make sure you check them out. The wig that I'm wearing today is Keshona in the color number 1B. Y'all, she's giving me very wiggy on the stock card. So, you know, I had to go in and make a few minor adjustments. So, y'all already know how I do. Y'all already know how I get down. I'm going to go ahead and drop those cons on you. Then we're going to jump right into the pros. Then we're going to wrap this video on up. See, y'all see me? All right, so I do have a few cons when it comes to this wig, but it's nothing real major. The first con I would have to say about this wig is that the lace is too light, but that is a personal preference because your girl is chocolate. And what lace does have very ashy lace, but it is different ways that you know you can tint your lace and you can make it do what it do. Because one thing about me, boo, I'm going to try to finesse a wig, okay? You got me tripping and finesse, ayy. It don't make no sense. Yeah, so that's the first con. The second con I would have to say is that this wig comes looking very heavy in density. Like, especially up in the bang area and it on the area like that's going to be flat, that doesn't have the bang, it is real heavy, heavy. Yes, you got so heavy, baby. Yeah. Dream girls, y'all don't like dream girls? Dream girls? No dream girls? Okay. So it is really heavy. So I did go in with my trusty dusty razor comb and just thinned it out. It was no big deal, but I'm just letting you know your wig will not come looking like this. So those are the only cons that I have for you guys. So let's jump right into the pros. First pro about this wig I would have to say is the style. I love me a short wig. Like, I love a pixie cut wig. I love a taper cut wig. I love it when they can get it right, especially, you know, syntheticals have come a long way and we can only expect but so much. But since this is the wet lace collection, it is kind of pricier. I don't agree with the price point, but you do get a lot of parting space. I believe this is 13 by 5, 13 by 6 parting space, ear to ear lace. So you can style it in the middle, right, left, whatever you want to do, you can style. It's up to you. Y'all know I had to come through with a left part because left is where it's at. I don't know about that right stuff, okay? But it is a very nice wig. The hairline on this unit does come very natural. I did not go in and pluck a thing. Y'all know I'm not plucking anything anyway, but it's still nice to get a wig and not have to do a whole lot to it to make the hairline look natural. I love it when that happens. So the hairline is on point. The parting space is on point. I did not go in and pluck this parting space at all. All I did was put some pressed powder in it to make it. Oh, I can't do it because my lip gloss is popping. But I did go in there to make it pop. And y'all, it's a scalp. It looks so freaking good. It looks really good. And y'all know I don't do no baby hairs. But you can do baby hairs and this your wig, boo. If it's on your head, do what you do. But watch my shoes. Damn, with boo, but watch my shoe. Yes, don't let nobody tell you what you can and cannot do to your wig on your head. The best part about this short tapered cut is that the back lays so flat. It's not too heavy in the back, in my personal opinion. And it would lay flatter if my braids was flatter. But my braids are kind of bumpy in the back, but it's still looking good, y'all. As far as the wig being big head friendly, this wig was way too big for your girl. I had to actually cut into the wig for it to fit my head. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes, as always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.